There are three little words that will help inform and refine your search: and, or, not. When searching, this may be referred to as using Boolean logic. These can be used independently in your search or used in conjunction to create a more specific search. Use and to identify your initial search terms, search more than one term, and reduce your search results. Use or to increase your search results and for obtaining the largest number of results. It is also useful when searching for similar subject words. Use not to exclude a term or remove irrelevant results. Take care though, you could miss out on something useful. Think about the words you use. Some databases use controlled vocabularies, which means they have their own words and phrases, such as subject headings structured in a specific way. Words can have different spellings or meanings. Take care when using abbreviations or acronyms. They could also have different meanings. If in doubt, look for both. Use clear search terms to get the required results. To create your search terms, break down your question by focusing on keywords. You may want to break down key terms further. For example, workplace stress could be split. You may find there isn't a better search term for your keyword. Use your identified search terms as a starting point. Truncation is where a symbol is placed after a word to produce more variations. It is usually an asterisk, but some databases may use different symbols. It is useful to think of different word endings in your database search, but beware that some truncated searches may produce lots of terms. There are many types of sources available online. Ensure that any source used is referenced properly. It is good practice to include the date you access the resource. The following are a guide to help you question the validity and relevance of your online source. What type of resource is it? Why was it created? When was it created? Where was it created? Is it on social media or a peer-reviewed journal? Who has created the source? Do they know what they're talking about? There are some resources available on the Chester eLibrary. These are for HE students only. UCM Library also subscribes to various databases. Check our webpage for further information. If you have any issues with your search or can't access a resource, contact the library. We are always happy to help.